Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amanda Mulyani. Here I will explain about designing a digital assessment tool for ELT. So first, I choose reading as language skills. Choosing reading to be assessed is important because first is text comprehension. For me, reading measures how well students understand written information, which is crucial in academic and professional life. And then vocabulary enhancement. So reading enriches vocabulary and understanding of sentence structure, supporting speaking and writing skills. And then foundation for learning. Reading skills form the foundation for learning in various subjects. Next is critical thinking. So reading helps students develop the ability to analyze and evaluate text. And the last reason is academic readiness. So readiness necessary to understand exam questions and other academic texts. So by assessing reading skills, we ensure that students are prepared in various aspects of language learning. Okay, next slide is the ICT tool that I choose is Google Form. Because using Google Forms in English language teaching or ELT assessment offers several benefits, including first is efficiency in management. So Google Forms makes it easy to collect and manage data automatically, saving time in the assessment process. And accessibility, so students can access the from anytime and from any device, providing flexibility in completing the assessment. Next is automatic scoring. Multiple choice questions can be automatically scored, speeding up the evaluation and reducing human errors. Next is organized data. So all students' data is stored neatly, making it easy for teachers to track progress and analyze results. And then is question flexibility. So Google Forms supports various questions types such as multiple choice and short answer for different assessment process purpose. And then next is quick feedback. So teachers can provide immediate feedback, helping students understand and correct mistakes. And then next is reduce administration. So reduce administrative tasks like printing, assessment, allowing teachers to focus more on teaching. Next is students engagement. So an interactive platform can increase students engagement with features like timers and instant feedback. And then the last is data storage. So all results are stored in the cloud, making it easy to access and analyze further. Overall, Google Forms simplifies and enhances the efficiency of ELT assessment, saving time for teachers and providing a better learning experience for students. Okay, next, I will explain how to demonstrate the digital assessment work. So first, you can go to Google Chrome and then type Google Form and click on the first result that appears. Next, click on the blank form icon, which is represented by plus sign. Then, you will set a display like this. You can go to the setting located next to the answer, then activate the option make this a quiz. Then you can scroll and set the points for each question into default question point value section. After that, you can return to the question column where you can fill in the title under untitled form and provide instruction for answering the questions in the space below. Next, you can create an option for the student's name by choosing the short answer type for the question. After that, you can add the question you have prepared by using the options below or below the student's uh, name question. To allow students to see the correct answer after they have completed all the questions, you can click on answer key, then select the correct answer and don't forget to assign points for each question. Once you have finished writing all the questions, you can publish your Google form by clicking the publication button in the top right corner and then click publication again and then save. After that, after your Google form has been successfully published, you can copy the link. You can copy the link to share it with students by clicking on the link icon located at the top right. Finally, you can distribute the link to your students and wait for their response. This step describes how the teacher creates the quiz using Google Forms in Google Forms in Google Classroom. Next, I will explain how the students can respond to the question. First, click on the link provided. Then I fill in your name and answer all the questions. After answering the questions, you can click the submit button. After submitting the result, students can view their scores by clicking the scores button. Then the score they receive will be displayed. Here is what the teacher's view looks like after students have responded to the share link. That is how to use ICT tools for assessment with Google Forms and reading language skills. Okay, last is benefits and challenges in using ICT in ELT assessment. For me, there are several benefits and challenges in using ICT in ELT assessment. So, benefits of using ICT in ELT assessment. First is efficiency. So, automatic assessment process save time and effort for teachers. And then accessibility. Students can access assessment anytime and from anywhere. And then instant feedback. So students receive immediate feedback after completing the assessment. After that, data management. Assessment data is easier to manage and analyze. So, variety of question formats. ICT supports different types of questions to assess various language skills. And then last is students' engagement. Interactive platforms make assessment more engaging. And then the challenges of using ICT in ELT is limited access. So not all students have access to devices or reliable internet. And then is security and privacy. So protection of students' data must be maintained. Next is technical issues. So dependent on technology may cause technical disruptions. Assessment of complex skills. ICT may struggle to assess speaking and writing skills in depth. And lack of social interactions. ICT cannot assess direct social interaction. And the last is teacher training. Teacher needed training to maximize the use of ICT assessments. Okay, that's all from me. Sorry for my mistake. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.